want to give you 5 simple tricks that you can use to make sure that you buy the right house. And I think this is going to be important for people that are out there looking right now to buy a home. Everybody is worried about making the right move and making sure that they don't make a mistake and ultimately that they get a good home. I will tell you that if you end up happy with the home, even if you paid a little bit too much for it, you won't care. It doesn't matter because you're not gonna move anytime soon. So that is why it is so important to try to follow these 5 quick, simple tricks that you can use. And there are probably dozens and dozens of more things you can do, but I wanted to keep this quick. Number 1, don't rush. Take your time. Take your time, go slow, do not rush. Number 2, do what I call a brain dump. And what I mean by that is I want you to get a piece of paper and sit down with your spouse, or just you if it's just you, and just start writing down things. Write down things you want in a house. Write down things you need. Write down things that you hate. Just do a brain dump and get some clarity and try to get some things on paper. Number 3, utilize a real estate agent and use them to their fullest potential. Use them. Delegate tasks to your real estate agent. Hey, I want you to find out what neighborhoods I can buy a home in that have a 3-car garage and, I don't know, a ½ acre or more and are priced under $1 million. And let your agent do some legwork for you. Think of some things to have them do. They want to help you. What am I at? Number 4, explore. Take some time to go ride around the different areas. Do that with your wife. Do that alone. Just go out. You won't be surprised. I'm a real estate agent, and I get out and explore and run into new neighborhoods that I had no idea existed all the time. I just saw one. Actually, I saw 2 new developments this week that I hadn't been in. One I hadn't even heard of. The other I had heard of but hadn't been in. So I know that if these neighborhoods are popping up that I don't know about, I know you don't know about them either. And that's 4. And then number 5, be realistic. I have had so many different people come and say, Matt, we want a 3-car garage, 4,000 square foot home in X neighborhood, and we're only paying $600,000. And they put down like this, they like put their foot down thinking that like somebody's gonna come and give them that great house for $600,000, and it never happens. Don't do that to yourself. You're wasting your time. Be realistic with yourself. I know everybody wants to get a deal. That's not what I'm talking about. But if you put out this completely unrealistic expectation for yourself and for your realtor and to your wife or whoever else, you're never going to get what you want. So hopefully these help you guys. Like I said, there are a million tips I could give you. Start out with those 5. I hope you guys have good luck. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.